Welcome to Introduction to Accounting, Preparing for User's Perspective. What are the common forms of business ownership structure in the United States, and what are some advantages and disadvantages of each? LLP and LLC. I will not take a lot of time to work through all the details of LLPs or LLCs, but please do take the time to study the LLC or LLP column in the Summary of Business Ownership Structures table, focusing on the advantages and disadvantages. At this point, I just wanted you to know that these additional business ownership structures exist. I also wanted you to know that LLPs and LLCs are effectively a hybrid of the advantages and disadvantages of the three ownership structures that we have already discussed. They were primarily created to marry the key benefit of sole proprietorships, which is single taxation, with the key benefit of corporations, which is limited legal liability. LLPs first started to appear in the United States in the early 1990s. The main reason LLPs were created was to provide the innocent partners a financial shield from significant legal liabilities incurred by the partnership. In other words, if the partnership were to incur a significant claim that the LLP's resources could not satisfy, the LLP's creditors would not be allowed to access the innocent partner's personal assets to satisfy such claims. But they would be allowed to access the responsible partner's personal assets. Innocent partners certainly could lose all that they had invested in the partnership, but at least their personal assets would be shielded from creditors' claims. Another key benefit of an LLP is that it has single taxation, just like a partnership. Limited liability companies, LLCs, also have advantages of both a partnership and a corporation. LLCs seem to have their origin in the German law of 1892, authorizing businesses with limited liability, Gesellschaft mit beschränkter Haftung, GmbH. Because an LLC is not a partnership, the owners are called members rather than partners. The main benefits of LLCs are that they are similar to corporations in that they have limited liability protection for their members, similar to that of shareholders in a corporation, and they are similar to partnerships in that they have single taxation.